If you're new to pattern drafting, this is a short tutorial on how to draft a basic bodice. So first of all, you need your workspace. This will contain the front and the back bodice. Then you divide it into two. Then you have your chest line. Okay, we're imputing the vertical measurement. This is the bust point line. This is your under bust line, and this is your front length as well as the back length line. You impute your shoulder measurement next on your shoulder line and the chest line for the front and the back. Okay, then after doing this, you're going to impute your shoulder slope. Then you impute your armhole curve, your neck width and neck depth according to the measurement you want to use. Okay, so here I'm drawing my armhole curve for the back and the front. The next thing to do is to impute your bust measurements and waist measurements and draw your side line. Then here I'm imputing my dart. All right. So remember that this is just a brief illustration on how to go about this. So this is the bust dart. We differentiate the front and the back. Then you tighten your center back to prevent zipper bulge. Then I have my dart as well. So that's just it for this short tutorial. If you need more details, you can reach us directly. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you and bye.